In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion Support Services. We'll begin right from Google so you can get to the right place quickly and safely. Open your browser, go to Google and type Notion. In the results, choose the official Notion website. A quick safety tip: check for the secure padlock icon in your address bar and the familiar Notion branding so you know you're on the legitimate site. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner and click Log In. That takes you to the sign-in screen. Use your usual sign-in method and follow the on-screen prompts securely. If your organization uses single sign-on, you'll be guided through that flow automatically. Give it a moment while your workspace loads. A stable internet connection helps here. If you land in a different workspace than expected, use the workspace switcher in the sidebar to select the right one. Now that you're inside Notion, open a page that already contains an image you want to adjust. To begin resizing, click the image once to select it. You'll see it become highlighted, and subtle resize handles will appear. Hover near the sides and drag to make the image wider or narrower. Notion preserves the aspect ratio for you, so the image won't stretch in odd ways. Release the mouse when it looks right. If you change your mind, press Ctrl+Z or Command+Z to undo and try again. Here are a few helpful tips as you resize. If your page uses columns, the image will naturally snap to the available space within that column. If the image is too large for a narrow column, reduce its width until the layout feels balanced. As you drag, a guideline may appear to help you align the image with nearby blocks, which keeps everything tidy. If captions are enabled beneath the image, they'll stay attached as you resize, so your notes remain readable. If clicking the image doesn't show resize handles, confirm you have edit access to the page and that you're not viewing a locked block. If something doesn't look right after resizing, use undo to step back or refresh the page to clear a temporary glitch. For persistent issues, the Notion help and support resources are very reliable, and checking the service status can also clarify if there's a temporary outage. That's all there is to it. From Google to Notion, click Login, then click your image to resize it cleanly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Notion.